This is an introduce to a new video. No face cam, no Q&A, just playing games. And well, I'm not doing face cam now because you heard what I said. I got distracted. Lol, I got distracted. So, there it is. In the can you guys, when I get my ass, lots of people have played Minecraft and they got lots of subscribers and lots of likes. I'm thinking to do the same thing. I'm gonna do Minecraft and Balloon Tower Defense battles. And I do have FIFA 14. FIFA 15 I still don't have. Well, pick which one of those three I should do first. I don't mind any. Unless it's one. But I do have Skylanders, but it's my brother's, depends with him. Well, I am gonna do something fun. I'm normally on easy on Minecraft, but as I'm making it fun for you guys, I'm not gonna die in 1 second. I'm gonna do hard, just for fun for you guys. So, I hope you like this introduce, and I will get the next video up and ready anytime today. Bye.